how to view blocked contacts on BOTIM. This tutorial shows you how to check the list of contacts you have blocked on the BOTIM app. First, open the BOTIM application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main chat screen where you can view your conversations. Following that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a menu will appear with various account and settings options. Moving forward, scroll down to the Settings section. Afterwards, tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. In addition to that, you'll see different privacy options for managing your account security. Once you're on the privacy page, look for blocked contacts or blocked users. Subsequently, tap on Blocked Contacts to view the list of people you have blocked. Moreover, you'll see all the contacts you have previously blocked on BOTIM. Afterwards, you can review the list and see who is currently blocked. Then, if you want to unblock someone, simply tap on their name. Within this section, tap on Unblock to remove them from your blocked list. Alternatively, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm the action. Once you've confirmed, that contact will be unblocked and can message you again. Then you can exit the blocked contacts list and return to your chats. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you view blocked contacts on BOTIM, give it a like, subscribe for more BOTIM tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.